Hey, welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Kate, and today we're stepping into a place that looks simple, but can feel a little scary for newbies. Ordering coffee at Starbucks. You'll hear a real conversation between two friends with natural, everyday English. And don't worry, we'll keep things simple, clear, and easy to follow. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Listen carefully. What drink did Leo finally order? You'll hear the answer later in the story. If you catch it, write it in the comments. All right, let's go.
Mia, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's up?
I've been avoiding Starbucks for a long time.
Avoiding? Why?
I don't understand the menu, and I don't know what to say.
Yeah. Starbucks has its own language.
Exactly. Tall, grande, venti? Why not small, medium, large?
I know. It's confusing at first.
And the people behind me are always waiting. I feel pressured.
That's normal. A lot of people feel that way.
I don't want to sound stupid.
Hey, you won't. And even if you make a mistake, it's okay.
You really think so?
Yes. You just need a few simple phrases.
Okay. I want to try today.
That's the spirit. I'll help you. Oh, before we get there, did you know something interesting?
What?
Starbucks writes your name on the cup, but sometimes they spell it wrong.
Really? That sounds funny.
Yeah, it happens a lot. People even post it online.
I kind of want that to happen now.
You might get a new name today.
Well, I hope it's a cool one.
Also, did you know the size tall is actually small?
Wait, what?
Yeah, tall equals small. Grande equals medium. Venti equals large.
That makes no sense at all.
No, but you'll get used to it.
All right, let's go. I'm ready. I think.
Okay, we're here.
Yeah, this is the place.
Wow, it's busier than I expected.
Starbucks is always like this, especially in the morning.
I can see that. People are holding coffee like it's their life.
Honestly, for some people, it is.
My heart is beating fast.
That's okay. First time is always like this.
I feel like everyone inside knows exactly what to say.
They didn't always know. They learned, just like you.
That makes sense.
Let's not rush. Let's stand here and look at the menu first.
Good idea. I don't want to panic at the counter.
Exactly. Take your time.
Wow, there are so many options.
Yeah. Coffee, tea, frappuccino, cold brew.
Wait, what's a cold brew?
It's coffee made with cold water, not hot water. It tastes smoother.
It sounds interesting.
But for your first time, maybe choose something simple.
Yeah, I agree. I don't want to be too adventurous today.
Look here. Caramel latte.
That sounds sweet.
It is. It's coffee with milk and caramel flavor.
Sounds safe. I like sweet drinks.
Perfect. Now practice your sentence.
Okay. Can I get a caramel latte, please?
Good. Again, a little more confident.
Can I get a caramel latte, please?
Nice. And if they ask for size?
Grande?
Yes, you got it.
I still think grande sounds funny.
You'll get used to it.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Maybe 70% ready?
That's more than enough.
Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, take your time. Can I get a caramel latte, please?
Of course, what size would you like?
Medium. Oh, sorry, grande, please.
No problem at all. Hot or iced?
What do you think, Mia?
It depends. Do you want something warm or refreshing?
I think warm. I feel a bit nervous. I need something comforting.
Then hot is perfect.
Okay, hot, please.
Great choice. Would you like whipped cream on top?
Oh, I didn't know that was an option.
It's like extra cream, sweet and soft,
that sounds good. Okay, yes, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
All right, can I get your name?
Leo.
Leo. Got it. You can wait over there.
Thank you. I made a small mistake. I said medium.
That's totally fine. You corrected yourself, though.
Yeah, and the barista was really nice.
Most of them are. They talk to many people every single day.
I feel a bit proud, honestly.
You should. That was your first order.
So now we wait?
Yep, they'll call your name when it's ready.
I hear them calling names. It sounds fast.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to catch your name.
What if I don't hear it?
Don't worry, you can always check the counter.
Okay. I like the atmosphere here.
Yeah, it's cozy. Many people come here to work or study.
I see people with laptops, headphones.
Starbucks is like a third place.
Third place?
Not home, not work, but a place to relax or focus.
Oh, I like that idea.
Some people stay here for hours.
Really? Just drinking coffee?
Yeah, coffee helps them stay awake and focused.
I might do that someday.
You will.
While we wait, tell me more about Starbucks.
Okay, quiz time.
Oh no.
Do you know where Starbucks started?
America?
Yes, but more specifically, Seattle.
Oh, interesting.
It started in 1971 as a small coffee shop.
That's a long time ago.
Yeah, and at first, they didn't even sell drinks.
Wait, what?
They only sold coffee beans.
That's surprising.
Here's another one. Do you know why it's called Starbucks?
I have no idea at all.
Well, it comes from a character in a book called Moby Dick.
Wow, that's random.
I know, right?
Okay, one more question for me.
All right, how many Starbucks stores do you think there are worldwide?
Maybe a few thousand?
Try more than 30,000.
What? It's crazy.
Yeah, it's one of the biggest coffee brands in the world.
Now I feel like I'm part of something big.
Leo! Oh, that's me.
Oh, wow.
Good?
Yeah, it's sweet, creamy, and a little bit bitter.
That's coffee.
I like it. It's not too strong, though.
Perfect for beginners.
And the whipped cream makes it even better.
I knew you'd like it.
Honestly, it tastes better because I ordered it myself.
That feeling is real.
I feel more confident now. You know what? I want to try again.
Already?
Yeah, this time I want to change something.
Nice. That's progress. Hi again. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get an iced coffee, please?
Sure. What size?
Grande, please.
Would you like any sugar or milk?
Less sugar, please.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That felt easy.
You didn't hesitate at all.
Yeah, I feel much more relaxed now.
See, you're getting better already.
Yeah, but your turn now.
My turn?
Yeah, I want to hear how you order.
Careful. Mine might sound a little complicated.
That's exactly why I want to hear it.
All right, let's go.
Hi, what can I get for you? Hi, can I get a grande iced vanilla latte, please? Sure, would you like whole milk or a different kind? Can I get it with oat milk? Of course. And can you make it with less ice, please? Got it. Anything else? Yes, can I add 1 extra shot of espresso?
What's that? Makes the coffee stronger.
No problem. Anything else? That's all, thank you.
All right, your name?
Mia. Great, we'll call you when it's ready.
Wow, that sounded so smooth.
It's just practice.
But you said so many things. Oat milk, less ice, extra shot.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but it's actually simple.
Can you explain it?
Sure. Oat milk means milk made from oats, good for people who don't drink dairy.
Oh, like a healthier option?
Exactly. Less ice means not too much ice, so the drink is not too cold or watery.
That makes sense.
Extra shot means more coffee, stronger taste.
Ah, so you like strong coffee?
Yeah, especially when I need energy.
I feel like that's upper advanced English level.
Maybe, but
You'll get there. Honestly, it's not as scary as I thought. That's the point. Step by step. First simple, then more detail.
Exactly. That's how you grow.
Next time, I want to try adding something too.
I'll be waiting for that.
It's so funny. I was so scared before.
That's how learning works.
Yeah, the fear was bigger than the reality.
Exactly.
Now I feel like I can order anywhere.
That's a big step.
I just needed to try once.
And you did.
I'm super proud of myself.
You should be.
Mia, can I ask you something?
Sure, I'm all ears.
Why do people love coffee so much?
Good question. First, coffee helps you stay awake.
Yeah, I can feel that already.
It also helps you focus and think more clearly.
That explains why people drink it at work.
Exactly. Office workers, students, everyone.
Is coffee healthy?
In small amounts, yes. It has antioxidants.
Oh, that's good to know.
But too much coffee is not good.
Like everything in life.
That's so true.
Which country produces the most coffee?
Brazil.
Brazil? I didn't expect that.
Yeah, it's the largest coffee producer in the world.
What about the most famous coffee?
Many people love coffee from Vietnam and Ethiopia.
Ethiopia?
Yes, coffee actually started there.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Coffee has a long history.
Now I feel like I'm drinking something special.
You are.
So, how do you feel now?
Honestly, I feel lighter.
Lighter?
Yeah, like I was carrying this fear for a long time, and now it's gone.
That's a nice way to describe it.
I can't believe I was scared of this.
It's always harder in your head.
Yeah, reality is easier.
You just needed to try. Just try to get out of your comfort zone, bro.
Thanks. I feel more confident speaking English now.
That's a big step.
And also, I feel a bit proud of myself.
You should be. You did something new today.
Yeah, and it wasn't even that hard.
That's usually how it goes.
Okay, let me think. What did I actually say today?
Good question. Try to remember.
First, I said, "Can I get a caramel latte, please?"
Perfect. That's one of the most useful phrases.
Yeah, it feels very natural.
You can use it almost anywhere, not just for coffee.
Oh, really?
Yeah, at a restaurant, at a cafe, even at a food stall. For example, can I get a grilled chicken, please? Or can I get a lemonade, please?
Wow, that's awesome. It's great to know. And then I remember saying, "Grande, please."
Nice! You corrected yourself from medium.
Yeah, I almost forgot.
But you fixed it. That's important.
I think that moment helped me feel more confident.
Exactly. Small wins matter.
Then, for my second drink, I said, "Less sugar, please."
Yes, that's a great one.
I like that I can change the drink to my taste.
That's called customizing.
Ah, customizing. Nice word.
You're not just ordering, you're making it your own.
That sounds cool. And I also heard you say less ice.
Yep, same idea.
So I can say things like less ice, more milk, no sugar.
Exactly. Simple words, but very powerful.
I like that.
What do you like?
That I don't need long sentences.
You don't.
Just a few clear words, and people understand me.
That's real communication.
I think before, I tried to be too perfect.
Yeah, that can stop you.
But today, I just spoke.
And it worked.
Yeah, it really worked.
So tell me, if you go alone next time, can you do it?
Yeah, I think I can.
I think or I know.
Okay, I know I can.
That's better.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime.
Next time, I'll try something more complicated. Like, can I get a grande iced coffee with less sugar?
Wow, I like that.
Yeah, and maybe extra shot.
Nice. Step by step, and you'll make it. Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just clear and simple words.
Yes, communication is more important than perfection.
I feel that now.
So, how did it go? Let me ask you again. What drink did Leo finally order? Did you catch it? If you did, write it in the comments. If this video made you feel a little more confident, even just a little, then you're already making progress. And that matters. One small step at a time. If you'd like more real-life English conversations like this, you can support us by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section down below. We enjoy reading your comments. We really do. Thanks for supporting us. It means a lot. All right, take your time, keep practicing, and be kind to yourself while learning. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, and bye for now.